Dear students, welcome to you all. Today, through the video, I am going to discuss about types of matrices. Dear students, I had already discussed row matrix, that is a matrix having a single row and any number of columns is called a row matrix. Sometimes it is called a row vector. Now we discuss column matrix. A matrix having a single column and any number of rows is called a column matrix. It is also referred to as column vector. Here the example A equal to 139 and B equal to I plus 2I 3 9 minus R are two column matrices of order 3 by 1 and 4 by 1 respectively. Means in matrix A the number of rows is 3 and the number of column is 1, and in matrix B the number of rows is 4 and the number of column is 1. So matrix A is of order 3 by 1 and matrix B is of order 4 by 1. Now we discuss square matrix. A matrix A is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows and number of columns in A are equal. Means if the number of rows equal to number of columns, then it is said to be a square matrix. Here we suppose that a square matrix having n rows and n columns. It is say n and it is read as A is a square matrix of order n instead of saying that A is a matrix of order n by n. Means for square matrix we do not write n by n, only we say that A is a square matrix of order n. The elements Aij of square matrix A for which I is equal to j, here the number of row is equal to number of column. In that case elements A11, here 11 means first row and first column, A22 means second row and second column, A33 the element of third row and third column. So here I is equal to j, 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3 and so on, an etc. are called the diagonal elements. Means these are called the diagonal elements if I is equal to j, and the line along which the elements lie, means the line on which these elements lie, elements that is A11, A22, A33 and so on, ANN lie is called the principal diagonal. Means this line is called the principal diagonal or main diagonal or leading diagonal. Rest of the elements are called off diagonal elements. Here the example is the matrix A equal to 3 2 5 9 of order 2 and square matrix B equal to 1 2 9 3 8 11 9, 3, 2. Here order of this square matrix is 3. Are square matrices of order 2 and 3 respectively. The diagonal elements in matrix A are 3, 9 and in matrix B are 1, 8, 2, and the off diagonal elements in matrix A are 2 and 5, and in matrix B are 2, 9, 11, 3, 9, 3. Now we discuss diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n by n, means of order n, is called a diagonal matrix if all the off diagonal elements are 0. That is, if Ij is equal to 0 for I not equal to j. For example, a square matrix A equal to I 0, 0, 0, 2 plus I 0, 0, 0, 3, and square matrix B having elements 1, 0, 0, 2 are diagonal matrices of order 3 and 2 respectively. The diagonal matrix of order n having the diagonal elements as d1, d2, d3 and so on dn. Dear students, here I want to tell you that on the basis of the order of the matrix, we can say that the number of diagonal elements are equal to the order of the matrix. Here suppose that A is equal to I 0, 0, 0, 2 plus I 0, 0, 0, 3. This is of order 3. This is a square matrix of order 3. So diagonal elements are, the number of diagonal elements are 3. I, 2 plus I, 3. And here B is also a square matrix. And here the order of this square matrix is 2. So number of diagonal elements 2, 1 and 2. So if a matrix of order n, then the number of diagonal elements will be also n. So a diagonal matrix of order n having the diagonal elements as d1, d2, d3 and so on dn are also denoted as diagonal d1, d2 and so on dn. Therefore, A and B can also be written as A equal to diagonal of I 2 plus I 3 and B is equal to diagonal of 1, 2. Now we discuss scalar matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n is called a scalar matrix if all the off diagonal elements are 0 and all the elements lying along the principal diagonal are same. That is, if Aij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j, means if number of row is not equal to a number of column. In that case, the elements Aij equal to 0 and Aij equal to k for all I equal to j. If number of row is equal to number of column, in that case Aij is equal to k. K is any random element. In other words, a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. Thus, we can say that scalar matrix is a special type of diagonal matrix. Here, the example: a square matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 1. Here, the principal diagonal elements are same, that is 1 1, and off diagonal elements are 0. And square matrix B equal to K 0 0 0 K 0 0 0 K. Here also the principal diagonal elements are K, that is same, and off diagonal elements are 0. Similarly, square matrix C is equal to 1 by 3 0 0 0 1 by 3 0 0 0 1 by 3. Here the principal diagonal elements, that is same, 1 by 3, and off diagonal elements are 0, and these are the diagonal matrices of order 2. Here A is a square matrix of order 2, B is a square matrix of order 3, and C is a square matrix of order 3 respectively. Identity or unit matrix. A square matrix is said to be an identity or unit matrix if all the off diagonal elements are 0 and the elements along main diagonal are equal to 1. That is, if Aij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j, and Aij is equal to 1 for all I is equal to j. The identity matrix is generally denoted by I. Means identity matrix is denoted by capital letter I. For example, the matrix I2 here, this is a square matrix of order 2. Here the principal diagonal elements are 1 1 1 and off diagonal elements are 0 0. Similarly, identity matrix I3, this is also a square matrix of order 3, and here principal diagonal or main diagonal elements are 1 1, that is unity, and off diagonal elements are 0 0, and it is denoted by I2 and I3 respectively. Null or zero matrix. A matrix having all its elements 0 is called a zero or null matrix. Here you have given two examples. A square matrix A. Here it is not necessary that null matrix need not be a square matrix. So null matrix or zero matrix, any type of a matrix of any order. A matrix having all its elements 0 is called a zero or null matrix. Here matrix A of order 3, this is also a square matrix and all the elements are 0. Here matrix B of order 3 by 1, and here the elements of this matrix are 0, and these are null matrices of order 3 by 3 and 3 by 1 respectively. Dear students, note that null matrix need not be a square matrix. Now we discuss upper triangular matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij is said to be an upper triangular matrix if all the elements lying below the main diagonal are 0. That is, if Aij is equal to 0 for all I greater than j. Here you have given an example. A square matrix A the main diagonal elements are 1, 8, 11, and below of this here all the elements are 0. So this is called a upper triangular matrix. Here the elements A21 is equal to A31 is equal to A32 equal to 0, and here you can see that I greater than j. Lower triangular matrix, a square matrix A equal to Aij of order n is said to be a lower triangular matrix if all the elements lying above the principal diagonal are 0. That is, if Aij is equal to 0 for all I less than j. For example, a square matrix A equal to 5, 0, 0, 5, 9, 0, 11, 8, 2. These are the elements of this square matrix A. Here the principal diagonal elements are 5, 9, 2, and above the principal diagonal we see that all the elements are 0. So this is called lower triangular matrix. Dear students, here the elements A12, A13, A23 all are equal to 0. Here we see that I less than j, means 1 less than 2, 1 less than 3, 2 less than 3. Now we discuss triangular matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij of order n is called a triangular matrix if it is either lower triangular or upper triangular. Means a lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix, we can say that any one of this is called triangular matrix. A matrix that is both lower as well as upper triangular is a diagonal matrix. Means if it is lower triangular matrix as well as it is also a upper triangular matrix, then this is called a diagonal matrix. Here if Ij is equal to 0 for all greater than j, or Aij is equal to 0 for all I less than j, any one of these two conditions is fulfilled is called a triangular matrix. Now we discuss equality of matrices. When, in which condition we can say that the given two matrices are equal. Two matrices A equal to Aij of order m by n and B equal to Bij of order r by p are said to be equal if they are of same order. That is, m is equal to r and n is equal to p. And second condition, each element of A is equal to the corresponding elements of B. That is, Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say that two matrices are equal and we write A is equal to B, otherwise we write A not equal to B. Means for equality of two matrices, the order of two matrices should be same, and second condition is corresponding elements should be also equal. Thank you.